Akong amigo, you're not wearing a helmet.
My house is here.
You're like a Filipino in listening. Stupid to may Pinoy yan.
Hospital duty.
Hospital duty na po. You're always using our hospital as an excuse for not wearing a helmet. This is not India, this is Philippines. You have to follow our rules.
Ito yung gabi na duty tayo at nag-iikot tayo sa area of our responsibility. May nakasalubong tayo dito na walang suot na helmet. Imbis na huminto, tumakbo ito ng mabilis, kaya ayun, sinundan natin. At dyan sa unahan ay napahinto natin, at nung nalapitan natin, na-find out natin na ito pala ay isang banyaga at hindi isang Pilipino.
Akong amigo. Oh, your friend. Go there, there. Oh, stop. You stop there.
Into the shop.
You're going to the shop,
Yeah.
but you're not wearing a helmet.
My house is here.
You're like a Filipino in listening. Can I see your driver's license? Lupig pa may Pinoy yan. Palason. Where's your driver's license?
Yeah,
In the
here
cellphone?
only in my home.
Why didn't you bring your driver's license?
I got here.
No, you're driving a motorcycle and you didn't bring your driver's license. And you're not wearing helmet. We're gonna bring this motorcycle in the police station, okay? So follow us in the police station.
I will pay the fine.
No, you're gonna
tomorrow.
pay tomorrow, not now, because it's already night.
For me, duties sir.
Huh?
Hospital duty.
Hospital duty na po. You always using our hospital as an excuse for not wearing a helmet.
Just here, that's why I can.
No, even it's near. You have to wear your helmet because you are driving a motorcycle. This is not India, this is Philippines. You have to follow our rules. You call it emergency?
Amigo, I will pay the fine tomorrow. Amigo.
Oh, but we're going to police station now. You put your signature here. Just follow my body. We're going to police station. Ah, pre. May suga, pre. You wait, you wait.
At habang ini-escortan natin itong ating nasita puntang police station, itong multicab naman ay biglang pumasok sa one way o no entry. Kaya ayun, sinundan natin. Kung mapapansin nyo, may signage naman dito na no entry. Kaya sinundan na rin namin at nasita rin ito.
Dako kay no entry yun. Yung sulod yun mo.
At sa pagpapatuloy ng ating paghatid sa isang motorista na nasita natin, sinundan natin ito at hinatid natin sa police station kasi natawagan na rin yung kasama niya na doon siya susunduin upang malaman na rin nila kung saan kukunin yung motor at malaman nila kung saan banda yung police station ng Tagbilaran. Ang bidyong ito ay nagpapaalala kahit na isa ka pang dayuhan ay dapat sumunod tayo sa batas na pinapatupad natin dito sa Pilipinas o ordinance ng isang lugar.